Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss our topic, the dynamic polymorphism. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in programming and computer languages and object-oriented concepts. So let's just start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, basically dynamic polymorphism. First of all, we have to understand that what is polymorphism. Polymorphism is the ability of any data to be processed in more than one form. The word itself indicates the meaning, as poly means many and morphism means types. So polymorphism is one of the most important concept of object-oriented programming languages. Now, the dynamic polymorphism. This is also known as runtime polymorphism, dynamic binding, runtime binding, late binding, and method or overriding as well. So let's assume there are methods with same method signature in classes in a class hierarchy. For example, parent-child relationships. These methods are in different forms. So then when an object is assigned to a class reference and when a method of the object is called, the method in the object class is executed, not the method of the reference class. What happens here is since the object creation is done at runtime, the form of method which should be executed, the method in the object, can be only decided at the runtime actually. So let's take as an example here of dynamic polymorphism here. This is a class of a person and having a method teach, public void method teach, in system.out.println person can teach. Okay, a parent class of a person having a method of teach, person can teach. Next class teacher, which is extended from the person class. That means it is inherited from the person class. It has the same method of public void teach here. It has also teach, it has also teach. Then system.out println teacher can teach in a school. Okay, so this is the parent class, this is the child class. Person is the parent class, teacher is the child class. Teacher is extended from the person class, and having both classes having the same method of teach, having the same signature teach and teach, and the values are different. It will represent, it will show person can teach, and it shows teacher can teach in a school. Now the main class, to test the teacher, you can just want to run the classes. Here is the public static void main method. We created an object person. Person is equal to new person. So we have created an object of a person class. Then person, another person, is equal to new teacher. Now see here, this is when we are creating this object person, another person, we are referring it to the teacher class. That means this is an object referring to the parent class, and this object is referring to the child class. Now teacher is equal to new teacher. So we have initializing the new teacher, and then person dot teach, we are calling the method of a teach. So it will print person can teach. Why it is printing? See, we have created the person object, okay, of this class person. Then when we are calling as a person dot teach, it is calling the method of this class, parent class. So that's why it is printing as parent can teach. Now another person can teach, it will print teacher can teach in a school. Why? Because see, another person class is referring to the teacher child class. So when we are writing another person dot teach, basically it is calling that method from here of a teach. Remember, again try to understand from here. Another person, we have created the object of another person which was referring to new teacher. Okay, new teacher, this is the child class, and child class having a method of teach. When we are calling another person dot teach, it will call the method of a child class. Next, teacher dot teach, another object we have called teacher dot teach here. So it will call teacher dot teach, it will print teacher can teach to a school. Why? We have created the object of a child class here. So when we call it teacher dot teach, it will call the method of a teach method of the child class. It will show teacher can teach in a school. So friend, that is the concept of dynamic polymorphism. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.